Yeah, so I dared my way out in the snow. We had quite a bit of a snowstorm lately, last few days. So it's bad. I fucking hate snow. Anyway, sorry for the noise. It's the rocket fuel, kind of keeping the shop warm because it's not that cold like we say around here. Hey, look, it's snowing. Must be pretty warm outside. Yeah, I'm just gonna tidy up this workbench because it looks like some sort of meth lab, mechanical meth lab. Then I'm gonna cut that off and weld it onto that, the pedestal thing. And yeah, might even look at the Carina because I haven't really been good at filming. We have a complete new sill on there, doorstep or whatever you want to call it. You can't get those for this. As far as I know, they were never made other than by Toyota themselves when they made these cars. So, pro tip, this is the sill from a K11 Nissan Micra, upside down. So like, that part would be the lower side, vice versa. I have welded it along the edge here. Might not be the best, but it turned out fine. A little wiggly there, as you can see. Might just bondo it, who knows. Well, the rest is made this little finishing plate, goes over the end here, like that. It's just a matter of putting the wheel arch back on, which I made from a single piece, like a dumbass. It'll be good enough. But anyway, first we need to tidy this bitch up. Well, sorry about not catching the cold start on camera, but it's not very cold. It would be a video labeled "Man Starts Truck," and that's exactly what would happen. Windows are frozen. Anyway, I put the axle back in the Toyota. Forgot to film anything. I was under the car when I remembered, hey, maybe I should film this. So I didn't. But it's running right now, so I'm just gonna blow a little of the hard topsoil off the snow and try to reverse it back. Here goes nothing. Isn't it crazy how much easier it is to have a truck in winter? Oh yeah, and she's got a little hand throttle there. She's a sweetheart. Okay. There we go, reverse. Well, that was anticlimactic. Literally just Fucking drove her out of there. Oh yeah, I have that too. The most expensive car I've ever owned, and it's out in the snow. Anyway. Just gotta let her heat up a while and take the snow off the windows and stuff. And try taking it for a drive, see if the vibration is gone. A little bit of rust. Ah, she's a sweetheart. That's my glow plug relay. Oh. I really don't like snow at all. Fuck. Ugh. Yeah, she seems fine again. .2 diesel traction control, not enough power to spin the wheels. That's first gear, it can't do it in second. Anyway, that's the ground fixed for now. It needs a new wheel arch, it needs new brakes in the back, probably front. No bushing seems bad, but anyway, it needs a little welding and shit before the tach control, so I don't get pulled over. And it needs more. It needs more engine. 66 horsepower. That's downright stupid. Anyway, y'all have a good one. I hope you don't have any snow. Unless you like snow, you can have mine. You can come and get it for free. Right here. Take it all. So, yeah, try to do things if you can. What's the saying? An hour a day goes a long way. Have a good one.